Hey everyone, today we are going to put some mirrors, side mirrors on our e-bikes. We got the, I don't know how you want to call it, bike mirror. Got these off of Amazon. I'm not sponsored or anything by this. I just bought these and they were reasonably priced. I think they were like 20 bucks each. So you can see one is going to go on my bike and one is going to go on my wife's bike. So they're kind of cool, you know, almost looks like a sports car kind of mirror. So should be pretty easy, not too intense. Comes with a trusty old Allen wrench. And so yeah, let's get to it. So I had to wait. I got these on Saturday, I think it was, yeah, Saturday. And then, well, we had other things going on. And then I wanted to do it on Monday, but then Monday it started raining. And then Tuesday it rained, Wednesday it rained, today's Thursday. Still cloudy. Still like, I don't know, you can see it's kind of cloudy. But they say it's supposed to get better. I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully. And, I mean, we needed the rain, but not for 3 days. So, again, and it's got several adjustments. You can move this, the mirror, you can move the whole thing, this. So, we're going to get right to it. We're going to open up this mounting screw. Yeah, no, I'm just kidding. So, take that out, and we'll get this mounted. And the reason why, there you go, the reason why I wanted one of these is because the other day I was on my bike, and if I wasn't paying attention, I looked over my shoulder and there was a car right there. So nothing happened, but I just want to make sure, double check that I have a mirror to kind of look at, to make sure, you know, you want to see if anybody's behind you or anything, especially if like you're on a bike trail or something like that. So okay, now just got to get this in there, clamp her down like so, and we'll get it all checked out. Let's see, are you guys seeing this okay? Let's raise the camera up a little bit. Actually, I didn't know. Yeah, that's all right. I think this will work out perfect. Just gotta snug it up. Snug it up. Snug it up some more. Gotta make sure this thing is on there nice and tight. And it seems like it's, you know, it'll give if you know, if you have an accident. It looks like it'll give. Hopefully no one ever has an accident on the bike. Just never know. People on their phones when they're driving their vehicles, not paying attention. Kind of one of the reasons why I had a Harley Davidson motorcycle. I had a lot of close calls, especially in parking lots. Got rid of that bike, I don't know, about 5-6 years ago. And yeah, but these we plan on going on a lot of bike trails with you know, not just being on the road, but like I said, a lot of bike trails. So I think that looks pretty good. Let me get on the bike and see. Move it a little bit like that. Still got to tighten it down a little bit. Maybe bring it in. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. You can see the camera. Looks good. All right, I'm gonna tighten this one up even more, and then I'll put the other one on my wife's bike, and then we'll go out for a cruise. All right, we got the mirrors mounted, both bikes, as you can see. Wasn't that difficult. Just a simple clamping it down here, tightening it up here, and then tightening it back there. They supply you with the Allen wrench. So, all right, I think we should go for a ride, see how it looks. Okay, let's go for a ride. The mirror looks good. You can see the GoPro in there. Yep, everything looks good. Power assist. Oh yeah, I can see. Oh, that mirror's really good. Looking real good. Like I said, you can see far away, which is nice. Make a turn here. All right. I should wrap it up for this video. Now's a good time to subscribe. If you watch till the end, you should subscribe. Would appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully we can go. It's supposed to be nice this weekend. Hopefully we can go out for a ride, at least me, or maybe Sunday with my wife. So we'll have to see. All right, appreciate everybody watching. Can you see me? All right, take care.